Happy Monday, November 23rd. I hope everyone had a great weekend. We will be doing this Thanksgiving graphing during our morning meeting today. So remember, there's no chit chat. This is the chit chat, if you will, for the day. So we're going to complete this in our morning meeting. So please make sure you have that. Then let's go through your work for the day. You have a let's skip count. So you're going to skip count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 5, and 10. So for example, this row is by 2, so 6, 8, 10. Skip counting by 2s. This is by 3s, so 5, 8, 11. This is by 4s, so if it's 12 is here, you're going to take away 4, starting at 8, 12, and then skip counting by 4. This is by 5s. 5, 10, 15, all the way to 30, and this is by 10 starting at 60. Okay, then there's an expanded form. We've talked about expanded form before with 2-digit numbers. This one is 3-digit numbers, so it's going to look something like this. So it says 300 in expanded form, so I know I have 300. I don't have any 10s, so I'm going to leave it blank, or you could put a 0 since there's no 10s. And I have 8 ones, so here's 8 ones. In this number, the value of 3 is, well, I know the value is 300, so I'm going to write 300. Let's do 926. So the value of 9 is hundreds. The value of 2 is 10, so that's 20. The value of 6 is 6 ones. And again, the value of 9 is 900. So you're going to complete for 530, 428, and then the next page. It wants to give me the next page. There we go. Okay, so then you have these numbers, and look for what it asks for the value as well. Okay, then let's go on to our information writing. So in class, boys and girls, you all picked the storm that you wanted, and then we all wrote a topic sentence, 3 details, and a concluding sentence. Now what you're going to do is take this paper that you have completed. I know all of you do because I looked at them. Okay, you're going to turn those statements into complete sentences on this paper. Okay, so complete sentences starting with your topic sentence, then your 3 details, then your concluding sentence. So remember, you want to turn, so this, if I were to just write funnel shaped clouds, that's not a complete sentence. Remember, I gave you the example. Tornadoes are funnel shaped clouds. Okay, so this was my original fact, and then I turned it into a complete sentence. So you're going to do the same thing with yours, and then write them on this informative paper with your topic sentence all the way to your concluding sentence. Then, boys and girls, you also have a blue paper that says, pretend you are the turkey and write a story to convince the farmer not to eat you. So this is going along with your disguise a turkey. Some of you already turned in your turkey, so you can now just write your story. Some of you still need to turn in your turkey, so make sure you bring that in tomorrow as well as this paper. So you're just going to write a fun story about trying to tell the farmer why they shouldn't eat you. Maybe it's that you don't taste good, or that they should eat a pizza instead, or that they'd be much happier if they just kept you as a pet instead of eating you. Okay, so just have fun. Again, it's all meant to be enjoyable. Then we have what's called a place value turkey. So what you're going to do before you get to work on this page, you need to do your turkey place value planning page, okay? So it says body part, about your number. Okay, so first you need to do is pick a number. You pick either a 2-digit or a 3-digit number since we're working in tens or hundreds. I'm going to pick the number 147. Okay, again, you pick any number you want. The first thing that I need to do is write it in standard form. So there I did, in standard form. Remember, that's just the number. Okay, then I'm going to write it in unit form. Okay, we're going to come back to that. I want to go through expanded form, word form, all those first, and then we'll come back to unit form. So expanded form. So I'm going to write it as 100 plus 40 plus 7. Okay. Then on another feather, I'm going to write it in word form. So I'm going to write 147. Okay, that's word form. Then I'm going to decide if my number is even or odd. Well, I know I look at the ones place to determine if my number is odd or even, and 7 is odd, so I'm going to write odd. Place value drawing. So now this is what I'm going to draw with my base 10 block. So I'm going to draw 100. There's my 100. I'm going to draw 4 tens. And I'm going to draw 7 ones. Okay. Now it's asking me to find 10 less. Okay. 10 less than 147. So it would be 147 minus 10. Equals 137, and then 100 less. Now, if you chose a 2-digit number, you will skip this part. So 147 minus 100 equals just 47. So you will do the same. You'll subtract your number from 10 and from 100. Again, if you chose a 2-digit number, you're going to skip that. You can always go back and make yours a 3-digit number if you'd like, but if you chose just a 2-digit number, you're going to skip that part. Now 10 more, so I have 147 plus 10, which gives me 157. And then 100 more, I have 147 plus 100, which equals 247. Okay, so all of these you know how to do, boys and girls. You're now just going to apply it to the number you pick. Remember, a 2-digit number. Unit form. So I'm going to write H for 100. So I have 100 plus my tens plus my ones. I have 40 and 7. Okay, so you're going to do the exact same thing for your place value. So what unit is it in? I have how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. Now what you're going to do, boys and girls, once you have all the answers written out, you're going to find your turkey and you are going to write your numbers and answers on the turkey. It tells you...
Mom.
Yes, honey.
I need a new notebook.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Could you come over with Mama?
Yes. So it tells you right here what part of the body you're going to write it on. So if it's a feather or the left wing or right wing or the body. So here for standard form, for example, I would write 147. On here for like even or odd, I would just write odd. Okay, so you're just going to go through each part on put the correct piece in, and then you're going to color all of this. Do not cut anything. We'll put it all together tomorrow. Okay, have fun with this. I can't wait to see the numbers you picked and see your turkeys all completed. Let me know if you have any questions. To our 1:15 meeting, please bring your information writing paragraph, okay? Please bring this with you to our meeting along with any colored pencil or crayon or marker that you have, okay? I will see you, boys and girls, at 1:15. Thanks so much.